Hello, dear students. You're welcome to RK Institute. I am Dr. RK Saini, and today I am going to discuss a important question of coordination chemistry. This question has been asked in IIT Advanced Examination. See the question carefully. How many NCOO type bond angle in COEDTA -1 complex? Another question, what is the coordination polyhedron of above question? And what is the coordination number of cobalt in above question? First, we know that EDTA is a hexadentate ligand and their structure is ethylene diamine tetraacetate. Ethylene diamine tetraacetate. First, we check their denticity. It is hexadentate ligand in which 2 nitrogen donor atom and 4 oxygens are acts as a donor atom, and it is the structure of EDTA. EDTA, 2 nitrogens and 4 oxygen, negatively charged oxygen or any oxygen because resonance is there, but from one acetate, one oxygen is a donor side. Therefore, total denticity of the ligand is hexadentate. The question number second. First, we check question second. What is the coordination polyhedron? When metal atom makes 6 coordinate bond with ligand, then the coordination polyhedron is octahedral. Therefore, its coordination polyhedron is octahedral. First, coordination polyhedron is octahedral. When metal makes 6 bond with ligand or donor atom in coordination pair, then the arrangement of ligand or donor site in space is octahedral. Therefore, coordination polyhedron is octahedral of this complex. What is the coordination number of cobalt in above question? Or coordination number of the cobalt is also 6 because cobalt makes 6 coordinate bond or makes 6 covalent bond with one EDTA. Therefore, question second and third are solved. Which type coordination polyhedron? Octahedral. What is the coordination number of cobalt? 6. And now we check number of NCOO type of bond. This question asked in JEE Advanced. Now we make octahedral. Bond of cobalt. We know that in case of octahedral, 6 bond formed by the central atom. 4 valencies are in plane, 1 valency above to the plane and below to the plane. Like as SF6. SF6 is octahedral. You know that. Therefore, in which 6 bond are there. 4 bond are in plane with cobalt and 1 bond above to the plane and another bond is below to the plane. See the ligand. 2 donor atom attached to donor atom. Nitrogen, CH2 and nitrogen. It is the 5-membered ring. 5-membered ring. One ring which contain 5-membered. Now check this nitrogen. This nitrogen contains CH2, C double bond O, and oxygen is another donor site. Therefore, another ring which contain also 5 atoms. Total 5 rings formation and each ring contain 5 atoms. And 6 donor atom, check कीजिए, 6 donor atom, 2 nitrogen and 4 oxygens. This nitrogen also contains CH2CO. This nitrogen also contains CH2 and CH2 attached with C double bond O, and this attached with O, and O is also a donor atom. First of all, we make 6 valency of central atom octahedrali, in which 4 valencies in the plane and 1 above and another below, and then added the nitrogen atom and ligands. Therefore, this part of the ligand is attached with central atom. This oxygen donor atom, this oxygen, this nitrogen. Now this nitrogen is also attached with CH2 attached with C double bond O, and their oxygen is also donor. Another 5-membered ring is there. This nitrogen also attached with CH2 and CH2 attached with CO, and their oxygen is also donor atom. And hence we also write CH2 CH2 attached with C double bond O, and their oxygen is also donor atom. Therefore, arrangement of coordination polyhedron is this type. In simply, this molecule is also write as nitrogen, donor atom, nitrogen, 6 bond. First of all, we make coordination polyhedron octahedral. Then oxygen, and oxygen. This is the coordination polyhedron. Now we check number of this question. We check number of NCOO type of bond angle. Check कीजिए. Number 1. Suppose nitrogen 1, NCOO bond 1, NCOO 2, second bond, second. Please check carefully. NCOO bond 1, NCOO second bond, NCOO third, NCOO 4. 4 bond with respect to this nitrogen, and check another 4 bond, this nitrogen, check according to this nitrogen, NCOO bond 1, NCOO second, NCOO third, NCOO 4. Therefore, total bond with respect to this nitrogen and total bond with respect to another nitrogen. Check red, check yellow pen, NCOO1, NCO1, 2, NCO3, NCO4, 4 bond. Now another nitrogen, check another nitrogen represented by green pen, 1, NCOO1, NCO2, NCO3, and NCOO4. Clear? So total 8 bonds. Total 8 bonds of NCOO type. Okay, तो टोटल कितने बॉन्ड्स आएंगे आपके पास में? 8. ओके बाय.